Come over! Yeah, my boy! Come over! Yeah, my boy!
That's an incident which took place on September 22 at Drewsland in a Red Stripe Premier League match between Malines United and Arnett Gardens. The player in question, 22-year-old Arnett Gardens forward Kimani Arbourine. Arbourine explains what prompted him into confronting the spectators, which led to him being released by Arnett Gardens.
Okay, when I was on the field, a spectator, a lady, been speaking to me and she telling me some bad word and thing, and I kind of answer back, and same time, me hear some people in the stands. I call my father name, which my father passed away years ago, and they must talk negative about him. I talk some things where I don't like, and look up in the stands, same two man, I talk the things about my father. I tell him a bad word at the time, and I tell him, say, oh, me a and all them things there. Them things that kind of trigger me off away, and I say my father gay and them things there. I never saw something good me do, but honestly, my father, never talk bad about him. I love that man so much. He's been here. He's an Arnett guy. He used to play for Arnett guy as well, and he's a big man in the club and thing. And really never expect nobody to talk them things about my father. Kind of trigger me off.
What's the father's name?
Carlington Emmanuel.
So, the people who were saying it, were these your own supporters or were the supporters of Malines United?
Those were the supporters of Arnett Garden, I guess, because they were in red and black and full white. I never see no Malines colour in the stands where the incident took place.
And you were disappointed that it was your own fans that were abusing you?
I'm really disappointed, and I'm disappointed in myself also for know say I have more sense than that, and first something like that ever really happened to me. And I do something so foolish. I watch back the video and shape my head. My grandmother, everybody I say, and I made this because I'm not the type of person, but really know what trigger me off, and me as a man, I don't really like lose to at the same time. You see me, and it's disappointing in myself, my performance. Well, first half, I kind of play good and I come in my game. And then we just fall right back. And all of them coming and one.
When you went across the fence, was it to fight or was it to just argue with them?
No, I didn't go to fight, as you can see in the video. I went there and I was talking. He must say, if me a bad man, I must say, so you a bad man, you a bad. The other guy in the white pushed me. Same time now I start retaliate. And I go for fight. He said, if I come over here, so I go over there. I never expect him to touch me. I come in my uniform and thing, and me first start the fight. I'm going to do that.
Were you any at all conscious of what could have happened when you go over that fence, that you could have lost your life as well?
At the moment, I wasn't praying that, as you can see, because if me that pray that I would go over the fence, me just dark, you know.
Have you seen any of those fans recently?
Alright, I see a lot of fans. Some I say a foolishness me do, like, and some I say the man them should get more than that, and you know a jungle win and you have negative and positive. And I look into it and me say a foolishness me do because a spectator them name, and I really like to apologize to the spectator, apologize to the club for giving them a bad name. Apologize to JFF, and everybody will see it and will look into it and know something bad me do.
What have you learned from all of this though?
I learned a lot. I learned people don't really mean good to you, and people more while you have to just jump to conclusion, you have to think before you do things. And I think it happened again because I come under a whole heap of pressure, lose all my job, my daughter for mine. I never had to work right now, I don't know where to go.
What type of support did you get from your teammates though?
Yeah, my teammates I say I should do that, and they know the type of person will be, they never expect it, but for hold up my head and come again, come even stronger. You see, it same to my Cavaliers teammate them, come on me hard, come talk to me. a whole heap of positive. But then I did them I say, oh, I should do that, and they never expect that from me.
What did the club say in making the decision?
Me didn't meet with them and they never put it to consideration. I never make it, they never tell me bluntly in my face. Them call me over the phone and tell me, say them have to fire me because a whole heap of pressure the club are come under and it not look good for the club. They might pray for them side and I not wrong them for do what them do, but I think I deserve a next chance because I sacrifice it and come back on it girl, which me did there Cavaliers and me that play some good ball and I never have a reason to leave the club, and I come back here and I try to prove myself to the people. Them never expect them to cut me, and it is what it is. I have to just move on and come even stronger if I get the opportunity to come again.